and today I was thinking about some price reductions, and I came to a conclusion that we will need to use cheaper models, and I was researching this a bit and I found some alternatives that we can use instead of Grok, and today we'll introduce those alternatives and try to play with it. Alright, so let's start. First of all, I think I'll need some prototyping. So, or documentation reading, actually. Yeah. So yeah, first of all, let's read some documentation. Basically what I decided to use is actually two models. I may extend this list, but for now, these are two models. These will be some Gemini Flash family, or this will be DeepSeek family, right? So I think these two are cost efficient. By doing Gemini Flash, I actually mean Gemini Flash 2.5 Lite for now. I'm not sure what is Gemini Flash 3 pricing. Okay, it is pretty expensive compared to 2.5. Right? So actually we may use 3 Flash as well. But I would prefer DeepSeek models over Gemini family, right? So yeah, and I decided to use OpenRouter AutoRouter, okay, for automatic routing some tasks to these models. So in simple words, we have some list of models, and in this list we alright, so we just have, let's say, 3 models. That's Gemini, that's DeepSeek, and that's Grok. And what OpenRouter does, OpenRouter AutoRouter actually, it's that it reads the task and it chooses the right model to use for this task. And it tries to use the right model in terms of cost and intelligence, okay? So let's read our documentation. Here we go. So yes, here you can see some documentation. Example with session ID. So yeah, supported models for now. Okay. We can also configure allowed models here. It's just included in this option. Let's ask Composer, is there Pydantic AI utility for this? We can also, so let's read what can we do here. Okay, so first of all, I see that, yeah, we can specify ID of the plugin, okay, and then we can specify allowed models. Yeah, And in here, for example, it just specifies in glob or regex, I don't know what's this format. It just specifies any Anthropic model or any ChatGPT ChatGPT 5.1 model. Also, I can configure this in my settings. Wow, that's very convenient actually. Yeah, that's very convenient. So yeah, I can configure web search, PDF inputs, response healing, or what? So automatically fix malicious JSON responses. That's interesting. Yeah. But I don't see configuration for outer router. Let's enable it. Yeah, I don't see it here. Is it deprecated or what? Okay, Composer has responsed. And there is no utility for this, right? So we can specify this thing. What is model ID? What is session ID here? What do they mean by that? Oh no, where am I? Where's the documentation? Oh, right here. Okay. Yeah, right here. Stickness. The outer router pins both selected model and provider so that subsequent requests route to the same place. So when you include session ID, stickness kicks in on the first successful response. Okay, I got that. That's interesting. So stickness, there is no stickness, there is no plugins thing. So yeah, I guess we'll need to create one. So let's go to I guess to bot agent, right? Or no, wait. Yeah, wait. Yeah, let's go to agent for now. That doesn't really matter for now. Yes, right here we'll need to create something like OpenRouter plugins. And we need to create, first of all, base plugin, OpenRouter base plugin. We'll have here something like payload, I guess. Right. And this will be inherited from something, I guess. So if we inherit from something, then we don't need inheritance. Our own base, I mean. So let's create then right now outer router plugin. Right. Let's make init. And in here we'll have something like session ID. We'll have something like plugins. It's all right. We need to specify first of all ID of the plugin, right? And this will be outer router. Okay. Also, we'll need extra body, right? Wait. So there is configuration, ID, and allowed models. All right. What is downstream provider? So in order to wire it up, we'll need importing OpenRouter model settings, right? So I guess we'll inherit from pydantic dot models dot OpenRouter, and from here we'll import OpenRouter model settings, I guess. And this will inherit from OpenRouter model settings. Right. Yeah. So, okay. Then after wiring it all up, we will need to implemented this plugin, we will need to wire this plugin into our, how is it called, agent, into our bot agent, right? So we'll go to bot agent here, and we'll need modal settings, or wait. Agent, is there a configuration for agent? Or bot? Yeah, there is bot configuration, okay. LLM here. Yeah, here we go. Here we get an OpenRouter model. Okay. So I guess I'll just like get OpenRouter settings here. And here we'll just import from bot.agent. No. From bot.openrouter. Wait.